Here we will see that how to configure misbehavior category and manage discipline records of the students in OpenEducate. Discipline helps you to learn how to well behave in an institute for the students. So before you go ahead with your configuration on misbehavior category, you can log into the system with your username and your password. Once you are logged in, wait a moment until you go to the main screen. From this page, you can go to the menu. You can go to the discipline menu. You can go to configuration tab on the right there, and you can go to misbehavior categories. Prior to configuration on misbehavior category, you can create one parent category for that. So you can click on create parent category at the moment. You can provide name for that. You can select category type from the list, either major or minor. You can go to misbehavior template and select one misbehavior template from the list. And you can go ahead and save the information. So this is how you can create parent category in the system. Now you can go to create option again, and you can create one misbehavior category in the system. You can provide name for that. You can select category type, either major or minor. You can select parent category which has been created recently, and you can select misbehavior template from the list. And you can go ahead and save the information. To manage discipline records, you can go to discipline records tab from the tab up there. You can click on create discipline record for the student. In this page, you can fill out the information for the discipline records management. So you can select student's name from the list. You can select recipient, which is a faculty name for the student. And you can go to misbehavior information. So misbehavior type, either major or minor. Misbehavior category, which has been created earlier. Action to be taken, either fine or suspend. And you can go ahead and select meeting date and time for the student. If any notes to leave, you can also leave notes in the system, and you can go ahead and save the information. You can click on send by email just down there, and you can send this information to the particular student. You can send the email to the student now. So that's all being done for you. Now you can go to the menu, back on, and you can go to students. You can go to individual students profile. You can go to the discipline tab, and you can double check their misbehavior category in the system with the discipline information. Now you can go to student profile. In students login, you can go to discipline tab there, and you can double check their misbehavior category in the system. You can click on apology form. You can leave any description if you have it. You can attach any letter if you have it with that. And you can submit the apology letter. It's being done from student profile. Now admin can see all that information from their admin reviews. So you can go to admin login, you can go to discipline. Then you can go to discipline records, and then you can click on that particular student. You can click on apology letter. So that's been done. You can click on meeting with parents. You can click on take action and you can select fine. If it has a fine, you can provide fine amount also. If it has a suspension, you can click on suspend and you can select suspend from date. Suspend to date. If any remarks to leave, you can also leave remarks in the system and you can submit the information. That's all been done for you. So it is how you can configure misbehavior category and discipline records in OpenEducate. Thank you very much for your time.